spoon designs ever. Now this is a spoon. You know what I'm thinking. I know what you're thinking, but this is a spoon, a wooden spoon. This one, I think I like the feather design. It looks really cute, but I don't know, it looks funny to me. It really looks funny. Talking about funny, how is this a spoon? Very soon we're going to see the one that has legs, because this one is attached to the hand. So I'm going to hold the hand and use it to eat. Really weird. I don't know what this looks like, but it's a spoon actually. This spoon is a flying spoon, so I think this spoon, you know, it can give you food directly. You don't need to hold it. That's what I think. Because why not? What is happening here? Is it just that little cutouts that we're going to use to eat? Because these spoons are looking big, but I don't know. This is a spoon. Okay, so that's the it actually confused me for like a minute or two. Now this is a combination of a spoon and a fork, so you can use it for both. Like you want to use a fork, you can, you know, it serves two purposes, and that's amazing. And this is another type that serves two purposes. I don't know why anybody will make this. You know, we can just have a separate fork and a separate spoon, but it's okay since you want to join it together. Talking about joining it together, okay, the last one, you know, this one was like, no, let's not make it separate, let's put them together, like they have to come together. What are these things? They look so crooked, and I don't know why they're in this shape and manner. Like, what the hell? Why? This is so fine. I like the design and the colors. I've not really seen spoons with this kind of colors. They're really so fine. Like, this is really fine, honestly. This is a spade now, or a shovel. You dig into the food. Hey, people are creative. Wow. Okay, this is the family of the spoon and the fork, and when they marry, they give birth to, I don't know what that is, but maybe you know.